Well, good morning, everybody, on this beautiful December 23rd morning. Acme's at it again, so I wanted to show you what's going on today with another flash sale. Today, they're doing Milwaukee. And so as you can see here, just like they did the other day with DeWalt, you can see there's 3 different levels of discounts here on top of some of the other existing promotions that are still going on with Milwaukee. This is only last today, so you got to pounce on these early because a lot of them sold out the other day. So here you can see you're getting $15 off of a $149 purchase, $30 off of a $249 purchase, and $50 off of a $349. Now, some of you might look at that and go, that's not a lot of money. What's the deal? Well, let me show you the clue here. And by the way, I'll put links to all of these down below here in the video description for you. And as you know, these are our affiliate links. Anytime we give you links to the tool sites, we'll get a little commission if you choose to buy your tools through our links. And we thank you for supporting our channel in that way. Let me show you what you want to look for when you get into these. Now, see these green tags right here, like this says save up to 50, but the ones that are more powerful for you are going to be like this kit right here that has the tool with the hammer drill and the impact driver. You see how when it says promotions available and it doesn't, instead of just this, that means there's multiples going on right here on this deal. So you want to click on that one. And here's the deal, but look, here's where it's describing what's going on. So in addition to getting the save up to $50, you will also get another free Milwaukee beer tool. So this is your way. For those of you who missed out at Home Depot, or many of you had complained to me that your Home Depot didn't have half the deals that we were showing people during our live streams, at least here at Acme, you can get for yourself this same deal now, what it gets here. So there's a whole bunch of different tools here that are still going on, right? We're going to put this in our cart, and you settle up inside the cart is where you choose your tool. So let me show you what's going to happen here. And then remember to see Red Holiday, that's what you enter into the code. So we'll put this in the cart, we'll go look at the cart, and right now all you see is that tool. But see this blue button here that says select your bonus products? So let's click on that. And wow, that's a lot of good stuff. And as you know, I always tell you guys, always go for the most expensive tool as your free gift. So here is the jigsaw. So I'm going to select that, add it to the cart, and it says right here, bonus products were added, and boom, there it is. There's your jigsaw for free, right? So now you're paying $3.99. But wait, I feel like the Ronco commercial. But wait, there's more. So now you come over here to the promo code. And I've already typed it in before, but here, I'll just enter it there, Red Holiday, and apply it. And ding, 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 just like magic, folks. Look at this. It says right there, order discount. So it took off another $50. So instead of paying $3.99, we're now paying $3.49. And on top of that, we're getting this $200 jigsaw for free. So let's see how much this same deal would cost at Home Depot if we were to try to get it over there. Okay, so first of all, there is the jigsaw right there, $199. So you can see I'm not kidding. And then here is the 2-tool combo kit, $399. However, in here at Home Depot, again, you get the same choice like we just showed you at Acme. And there's your jigsaw there, right? So you get the same deal. However, it's $50 cheaper at Acme right now. So for those who think, well, maybe that's not a huge difference, hey, $50 is a pretty good difference. And what if you can't get it at your particular Home Depot store right now? At least you know you can get it here at Acme online. Now, here's another one that's piqued my interest. So this is that higher-end M18 tower light. This is not the same M18 tower light I've showed you before. This is that one that has the 3 lights on the head. Now, I don't know why they're showing the same thing on here twice. Let's add it to the cart. I'm going to see if it's doing anything here. So we get into the cart, and it's already applied the discount for us. So now we're down to $350. And keep in mind, folks, this is a $600 light here. Remember, this is not that $225 M18 light. This is a bigger, brighter version. So I'm not sure why they were showing the promotion twice. I was thinking, hey, maybe there's a second deal going on there. But you can see now how these deals are working. On some of the less expensive Milwaukee tools, like this one here, the stapler, let's see what the promotion deals are. There's a couple of things going on here. So you can get the $50 off, depending on how much you spend. Let's say you bought 2 or 3 tools here that were like, $99. And let's see what it does. I'm going to add this to the cart, and then I want to go and add, let's just add 1 more of these to the cart. So we'll have 2 of them in the cart, and let's just see what it does. So now when we come back into the cart, you can see what's happened. It automatically added that free battery, that one promotion, right? And then it would added the Red Holiday promotion here, the one-day flash sale. And then because our amount was only $189, it gave us only $15 off. Let's just go for the heck of it and add this M12 jigsaw to the mix. And now go check the cart again. So here you can see, by ordering, 2 of the stapler, we automatically get the free battery. And it would have also if we had just done the stapler and the jigsaw, right? But now you can see, since we ordered the extra bit there, it put us in the next price range up, which would be the $30 range. So that's how this deal is working for you. So this is a great chance for some of you to score some of these other tools that really weren't on any kind of decent deal over at Home Depot, or you couldn't get your hands on it. So for example, here's one with the grinder, the M12 grinder, the 3-inch cutoff, and then this is the Surge, and they're doing more stuff with the Surge. See, same thing here. So there's a lot of these M12 tools that if you purchase 2 of the tools, 2 different M12 or 2 of the same M12, they'll give you the free battery here. Plus on top of that, you would get the Red Holiday flash sale. So there you have it. I mean, just look through all of these and see what you got. And look, here's another great chance also to get this. Now, if you remember, Home Depot was running the deal on this last week on the inflator, the M12 inflator, where they were giving you a free battery. So that's one to keep your eye out on. But here, if you ordered this and maybe another M12 tool, you get a free battery. So there you have it. So remember, folks, this is a flash sale. It's one day only. It's today only. Don't hem and haw over it if you were looking for some last-minute Christmas gift tool ideas. This is your chance, folks. So have at it, folks. Have a great day and have a Merry Christmas if we don't speak to you before then. And we'll see you on the next one.